If your Galaxy S24 or S25 has suddenly started dying faster than usual or feeling hot in your hand, you're not imagining it. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Samsung owners are blaming the company's July 2026 security patch. Reports have been piling up on Samsung's community forums. Owners of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, S25 Ultra, and even the Galaxy Z Fold 7 say their battery levels are dropping sharply without any actual use. One S25 Ultra owner said their phone went from 85% at midnight down to just 5% by midday, despite only around 2 hours of screen time. Others say their phones are losing 5 to 7% of battery per hour while sitting idle, something they never saw before installing the update. Alongside the battery drain, many are reporting their phones are hotter than normal, and some say charging has slowed down too. Samsung hasn't publicly acknowledged the issue yet or given any timeline for a fix. So there are a few workarounds that might help some affected users in the meantime, based on tips shared in Samsung's own support forums. Clearing your phone system cache has helped some users. Others found relief by checking battery usage under settings to spot and limit any apps running heavily in the background. Turning off battery-intensive features temporarily, like always on display or high refresh rate, can also help until an official fix arrives. It's not the first time a Samsung software update has caused headaches for Galaxy owners. Past updates have caused their own share of charging and performance complaints, and judging by the history, a fix will only come in Samsung's August update. Until then, keep an eye on battery settings as the best option to deal with the problem. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.